Meaning of Davy Jones's locker.
Davy Jones's locker.
Davy Jones's locker.
Davy Jones's locker.
Davy Jones's locker. Davy Jones's locker is a nautical term that refers to the bottom of the sea, where the bodies of drowned sailors and shipwrecks are said to rest. It is often used as a euphemism for death at sea. The origin of the term is unclear, but it is believed to have originated from the name Duffy or Duffer Jones, a sailor who was notorious for either losing his crew or selling them as slaves. The phrase has since become a common expression in popular culture, especially in reference to pirates and maritime adventures.